Hello guys, in this video, we are going to cook fish head soup, which is a Chinese style recipe soup. We are going to need fish head that was cut into small pieces, and the complete list of the other ingredients are listed on the description down below. First, we are going to coat the fish with cornstarch and deep fry them until it is golden brown. Now, since the part 1 is complete, we are going to boil water and add those fried fish. Add the ginger, onions, and garlic. Add goji berry. Add sea salt. Add sugar. Add ground black pepper. And we will boil this for 30 minutes. Now, the soup is cooked and ready to be served. Comment down below if you have other method of cooking this recipe. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe.